For the stem stitch, today I'm using 3 strands of embroidery thread and a size 5 embroidery needle. I'm going to come up at the bottom of my line. I'm going to hold a little bit of slack with my left hand and bring it down a stitch length away. I'm going to pull it through the fabric but leave a little loop on the top, and then I'm going to bring my needle back through the first spot I came up through the fabric and pull through. Now I'm going to repeat that process by bringing my needle a stitch length away, pulling it down, leaving a loop on the top of the fabric, coming back up where I made my previous stitch and pulling it through. And we're just going to repeat this process through the end of our line. At the end of the stitch, it makes a really pretty vine-like texture. When you're ready to end the stitch, all you do is just bring your needle through the last loop, and there you go. And I'm just knotting my fabric on the back by bringing it through my previous stitches and tying a knot. There you go.